Yes. Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Senior KG, semester second book. So, we have started the revision. Today, we will see capital and small letters. Revision is going on. Revision 2. Revision 2. Capital and small letters. Okay. See here. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, capital G, small g, capital H, small h, capital I, small I, capital J, small j, capital K, small k, capital L, small l, capital M, small m, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p, capital Q, small q, capital R, small r, capital S, small s, capital T, small t, capital U, small u, capital V, small v, capital W, small w, capital X, small x, capital Y, small y, capital Z, small z. We have completed the capital and small letters. You also daily you have to read how I have taken just now. In the same way, even you go on reading. We have completed the revision from prayer to nouns in the first video. In the first video, we have completed now. We will see page number 16, gender. Page number 16, gender. Read the following male and female words. Read the following male and female words. Boy, boy, girl, boy, girl, daddy, mummy, daddy, mummy, king, king, queen, prince, princess, man, woman. So, boy, daddy, king, prince, man, these are male. These are male. And female, girl, mummy, queen, princess, woman. Princess, woman. In the same way, animals also. Bull, cow. Bull, cow. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness. Horse, mare. Horse, mare. Buck, buck, doe. Buck, doe. Fox, vixen. Fox, vixen. Okay, these are the general in male, female. This is it, animal, male, female. Okay. Now, page number 17. He, she and it. He, she and it. He is used for male gender. She is used for female gender. It is used for animals and things. Draw a line to join the picture to he, she or it. He, she or it. She, it, he. She, it, he. See here. Woman, she. Woman, she. Uncle, he. Uncle, he. Roaster, it. Roaster, it. Man, he. Man, he. Toy, it. Toy, it. Girl, girl, she. Car, it. Boy, he. Queen, she. Lioness, it. Lioness, it. Draw lines to join the picture to he, she or it. We have completed. Now, page number 18. Page number 18. What, when and where. What, when and where are words used to ask questions. Used to ask questions. What asks about objects or actions. When asked about time. Where asked about place. What? What is in your bag? What is in your bag? There is a book in my bag. There is a book in my bag. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am swimming. I am swimming. What shape is this? This is a circle. We are asking the question. When? When? When do you sleep? When do you sleep? I sleep at night. I sleep at night. When does the sun rise? The sun rises in the morning. The sun rises in the morning. When does it snow? It snows in winter. It snows in winter. Where? Where do you sleep? Where do you sleep? I sleep in my bed. Where is the frog? The frog is on the leaf. The frog is on the leaf. Where do birds fly? Where do birds fly? Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Now, sound, word sound, page number 19. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Choose the letter and circle them to name the picture and write the name in the box below. In the box below. See here. You can identify with the help of the picture what it is. Yes or no? Can you? Yes. So see here. This is bell. This is bell. CBGEILDL. So you have to find out the spelling of bell. This is BELL. This is bell. 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 Now see here. This is cake. ZCFAPKET. So C circle, A circle, K circle E. That is CAKE, cake. We have written cake. Then this is what? Kite. Kite. KYIRMTOE. KYIRMTOE. In this you have to write K circle. Circle the K. Kite spelling KITE. 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 Circle KIT and E. That is kite. And what is this, children? Can you identify? No, this is nose. Nose spelling QANOLSQE. The spelling of nose is N circle, O circle, S circle, E circle. NOSE. So only I am telling you, learn by heart the spelling. If once you by heart the spelling, you will be able to write anything, whatever the picture is. Okay? Now, page number 20, doing words. Doing words. Words, see here. Words that show that a person, animal, bird or thing does are called action words. Action words are called doing words. Action words are called doing words. I pray every day. I pray every day. Yes, doing. What is doing? He is praying. See here. I pray. Pray is doing. Doing word is a action word. What is doing? Doing. I pray every day. I pray every day. Doing. Action words are called doing words. Doing. What is doing? He is praying to God. Rohit throws the ball. Rohit throws the ball. Throws shows the doing action. He is throwing the ball. Manju sings a song. What Manju is doing? Manju sings a song. Doing action is sings. The crow cows. The crow cows. Cows. The crow what is doing action? Doing what doing the crow? Cows. The deer jumps. The deer jumps. The fish swims. The fish swims. The ice cream melts. The ice cream melts. The sun rises. The sun rises. The water flows. The water flows. Doing words are called, action words are called doing words. Okay. Now, page number 21, sorting. Page number 21, sorting. Sorting means what? Read the words aloud, write them in the correct group. Pear, tiger, plum, bus, wolf, wolf, van, fig, zebra, car, mango, rat, cycle. Rat, cycle. So here 3 columns we have to sort out, means fruits place we have to write the fruits, animals place we have to write the animals, you have to find out from the picture, and vehicles we have to write here. So fruits will come pear, plum, fig, mango. Pear, plum, fig, mango. Okay. Now animals. Animals, see here. Tiger, then wolf, zebra, and this is rat. Animals column we have written. Now vehicles. Vehicles here. Bus, van, car, cycle. Bus, van, car, cycle. Okay. Fruits column what we have written? Pear, plum, fig, mango. Tiger, wolf, zebra, rat. That is animals column. And vehicles are bus, van, car, cycle. Car, cycle. Okay. Page number 21 is over. Now 22. 22. So, add using ing. Using ing. Add ing to these words. Eat, jump, read. So, eat. We have to put here ing, no. We have to put here ing. That is eating. Eat, eating. See here. Eating. Jump, ing only you have to put here. See, if I give you an exam, this word, no. Eat. Only you have to write here ing. You have to see and write here. Nothing. Here, jump, jumping. Read, reading. Reading. Read, reading. What is Tina doing? Tina is dancing. ing. ing. Tina is dancing. What is here? Select the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Hopping, flying, running, dancing. So, what is Tina doing? Tina is dancing. What is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is hopping. The rabbit is hopping. What is the bird doing? What is the bird doing? The bird is flying. The bird is flying. ing. What is Sam doing? Sam is running. Tina is dancing. The rabbit is hopping. The bird is flying. Sam is running. Sam is running. Now, see here. This is vowel sound A you have to learn. You have to learn. Vowel sound E. Vowel sound A. Vowel sound E. Sound selection long E. Circle the pictures that have the E sound in them. Leg, no. Tree, circle, tree. 10, no. Jeep, double EP, jeep, circle. Eagle, no. Bee, B-double-E. They have asked long E. Then, pot, no. Ship, S-H-E-E-P, ship. Sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Then, annuity, nut, no. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Queen, pin, no. So, what you have to circle here? Yes, what you have to circle here? Tree, jeep, bee, ship, sleep, queen. Have you understood? Page number 25 this is. Page number 25. And this page number 23 and 24 you just read it. Okay, sound selection is over. Now, vowel sound I also, short vowel sound of I, long vowel sound of I, you have to read it. Then vowel sound O. Then sound selection long O. Sound selection long O. Circle the pictures that have long O sound in them. Sound in them. Cook. Tool. Long. Tool. Spoon. Root. Then loom. Hoot. Hoot. Okay. And cook. Hood. Foot. Shook. Stood. Took. Look. These are not long O. Tool, spoon, root, loom and shoot. Shoot. These are long sound in them. They have the long sound and we have circled it. Picture. Circle the pictures that have long O sound in them. Now, page number 28 is completed. Page number 28 this is. Now this is 29. Page 29. Fill in the missing word perfect. Fill in the missing vowels and read the words aloud. Short, short O sound. Cook, book, foot, wood. Cook, book, foot, wood. Okay. And long O sound. Boot, moon, spoon and broom and broom. Okay, this is long O sound, long O sound and this is short O sound. Now page number vowel sound U. You just go on reading this. You have to read this and check your vowel sounds. Fill in the middle sound. Middle sound. H-A-T hat, J-U-G jug, P-A-N pan, N-E-T net, F-O-X fox, S-O-C-X socks, M-U-G mug, O-A-R or, C-R-A-B crab, H-U-T hut, T-E-N-T tent, P-E-N pen, F-I-S-H fish, G-I-R-L girl, D-O-G dog, B-I-N bin. B-I-N bin. In this way you have to say and write the missing middle word will not be given. There you have to write. Yes. Today's homework will be from page number 16 to 31. Page number 16 to 31 you have to read and write for 2 times and do practice for the exam. If you want good marks, do practice whatever I have shown you now, whatever I have told you now. Okay, write for only 2 times and learn by heart. Be perfect. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.